Deed for the ground of Falling Spring Church, dated January 1st, 1768, from Benjamin Chambers and Jane, his wife, to Patrick Vance, Matthias Wilson, Edward Cook, Robert Patterson, William Lindsay Jr., William Goss, and William Brotherton, in trust for the Presbyterian Congregation of Falling Spring, now professing and adhering to, and that shall hereafter adhere to and profess the Westminster Confession of Faith, and the mode of church government therein contained, witnesseth the said B. Chambers and Jane his wife, as well as for their regard to the true religion of the blessed Redeemer, Jesus Christ, the Son of God, and for and in consideration of their regard to the interest and advantage of said congregation, and in consideration of the rents, conveyed the trustees, yielding and paying therefore and thereout unto said B. Chambers, his heirs or assigns, at the said town of Chambersburg on the 1st day of June next after this date, the yearly rent of consideration of 1 rose, if required.
This rose, presented by the congregation of the Presbyterian Church of Falling Spring, symbolizes the gratitude of this generation to the vision of Colonel Benjamin Chambers and to the sustaining love of Almighty God who has brought us to this day.
On behalf of the congregation and the trustees of the Presbyterian Church of Falling Spring, I offer this rose, cut from one of the memorial rose bushes, in payment of the annual rent, in fulfillment of the original deed from Colonel Chambers to the church.
We, the descendants of Colonel Benjamin Chambers, accept this rose as payment of the annual rental for the church grounds.